Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am making oatmeal raisin cookies. These cookies are chewy and taste amazing. You're gonna love them. So over here I have egg and vanilla. I have some oats and flour. Then I have some butter, sugar, the raisins here I soak them half an hour in hot water to make them plumpy. So baking soda and salt and cinnamon powder and nutmeg. So I'm combining the sugar and the butter. I'm mixing it by hand. If you have a hand mixer, you can use that. I'm adding vanilla. And my egg. Alright, so I'll combine my dry ingredients. So I'll sieve my flour. Sometimes you have a bit of lump. I want to get them out. And I'm just adding my spices and my salt, include my baking soda, and now oats. So I'll add my wet ingredients to my dry ingredients. You could just add the dry in the bowl, but my container I don't think it's big enough. So I'm using the larger one. I want to mix properly until everything comes together. I have added raisin. My recording time ran out and I didn't realize. So my raisins are in. So I'm just forming my cookies now. If you have a cookie cutter, you can roll it out on the counter, roll it out with your pin, and then use the cookie cutter to cut it. I don't have a cookie cutter, so I'm just using my hand here. Place them in a 350-degree oven and allow them to bake for about 14 to 18 minutes. If your oven is really hot, so every oven is different. If it's really hot, 14 minutes, please. So now they're out and they smell so good. Amazing. I can tell they're tasty. Just as I suspected. Really good. So family, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Remember to like up the video, share, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell. Until I see you in my next video. Bye bye.